It sounds like you're looking for a description of the feel-good atmosphere of the year 2000, captured in a song with a joyful, celebratory tone. Here's a concept that might fit. Imagine a song that transports you back to the year 2000, a time of optimism and hope for the new millennium. The beat is catchy and upbeat, with a mix of electronic synths and pop-rock guitar riffs typical of early 2000 hits. The lyrics celebrate the feeling of freedom, unity, and endless possibilities as the world embraced a new era. Themes like friendship, adventure, and living in the moment are woven throughout, with a memorable chorus that makes you want to sing along. Picture a music video with people of all ages and backgrounds dancing in vibrant, colorful settings, from city streets to open fields, capturing the unifying spirit of the turn of the century. Let me know if this matches what you had in mind, or if you'd like to dive deeper into